In this video, I'll guide you through how to get audit trails in Docusign. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to save the audit information you need for your records or compliance requirements. Let's start with what an audit trail is in Docusign. Whenever someone sends, views, signs, or completes a document, Docusign records that activity behind the scenes. The audit trail is essentially a detailed history of those actions, who did what, and when they did it. This is especially useful if you need to prove that a document was properly signed, or if your organization has to meet legal or regulatory standards. To access this information, you first need to open the completed envelope associated with the document. In Docusign, an envelope is just the container that holds your documents and tracks the signing process. It's not just a file, it's the whole transaction. So log into your Docusign account and go to your list of envelopes. Depending on your account, this might be under a section like Manage or Completed. Look for the envelope that contains the document you're interested in. Make sure its status is marked as completed, since the audit trail is most useful once all signing actions are done. Once you've opened the completed envelope, you'll see details about the transaction, including the documents that were sent and the recipients involved. From here, you're going to download the related records. Look for an option that says Download. This might appear as a button or an icon, often near the top of the screen or close to the document list within that envelope. Click that download option. After you click Download, Docusign will usually give you a few choices for what you want to download. One of those options is called the Certificate of Completion. This is the key to getting the audit trail. Select Certificate of Completion. Sometimes it may be part of a zip file that includes both the signed documents and the certificate, and other times you might be able to download it on its own. Either way, make sure the certificate is included. Once the Certificate of Completion is downloaded, open it on your computer or device. This certificate is more than just a summary, it contains the detailed audit trail. As you scroll through it, you'll see information such as timestamps for when documents were sent, viewed, and signed, the email addresses of recipients, IP addresses, and the status of each action. This is your full audit history for that envelope. From here, you can either view the audit trail directly on your screen or save it somewhere secure. If you need to share it, you can attach the certificate file to an email or upload it to your document management system. If your organization has specific naming conventions or folders for compliance documents, it's a good idea to store the certificate there so it's easy to find later. And that's it. You open the completed envelope, click Download, choose the Certificate of Completion, and then view or download the audit trail contained in that certificate. Follow these steps each time you need proof of who signed what and exactly when it happened.